Hello teachers, a very important video about how to manage your classroom in STEM education using online and offline technologies during holidays, during Fridays and Saturdays for your students to be contacted with them and focusing with them still during holidays. Follow me in this video. Before we go, please subscribe to the channel to reach every important and very useful videos we upload in this channel. And please press like and write any questions, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Don't forget also to share the video for usefulness of other people and your colleagues through social media like WhatsApp and Facebook. Let's go now. Here I have a quiz every day. Every Friday I send a quiz of these quizzes prepared already. I can modify and increase the questions and be contacted with the students, and then I send this. I tell them that there's some quiz at 7 o'clock in Friday PM in the session during the week, and on Friday morning or Thursday I send the link through WhatsApp like these groups. In these groups I send them the quiz. This is the quiz, okay, and the quiz open online automatically and close automatically after short time. Here is this the period of the quiz is 35 minutes. This is the first strategy, is to doing and the quiz is auto answered, and the answers will collect in Excel sheet, so it's very easy for the teacher and for the students to do this online quizzes for both. And you can graduate them and give them degrees and prizes, and pick and collect the pioneers of the students in the assembly morning with the school principal or manager, and take pictures. And this is very motivating encouragement for students. Very good. So this is the first strategy, is the online auto answer the quiz. The second strategy is to prepare for students for the next session. So I have a file here, and this file I modify it every year with a suitable concept skills, LOs, and I send him this message for encouraging them to read, study, and watch videos. And I put the link of the video and the link for the website, and if there is any tasks I will send them through a link, and they download to practice this task in the session. Moreover, if any comments or orders or instructions, I can tell them during this message. And also the students who will present during the session, I tell them, and then I will send the message like this and put the students who will present, and I tell them by a voice message or audio message like this one.
Hello students, please read.
So there is many things, a text, links, and download link for the tasks, and the students picture for the students names, so and the voice. So this will encourage and motivate the students to be in contact with you and to do everything, and to help themselves and self-study and prepare for questions, and prepare for tasks, and prepare for presentation. Very important. And then you will copy the three models here and put in the other classes. So I have the class 1C, the class 1F here. This is the class 1D, the class 1E. Okay, so the class 1D has different from 1C for the students who will prepare. So I will go to class 1D, and then here I have the names of the class 1D here. This class 1D, group number 4, class 1D, and then down, and then go here in the other folder Word file, and insert, screenshot, and then screen clipping, and then take this screenshot or clip for the group, only group number 4, and then copy or cut this one and put it in the WhatsApp group for group number classroom 1D here, and paste and send. So students here know very well who will present in the session, and then do this with the next class. So I go here and go down, and for group number 4 for class 1E here, focus on it, and then go to the other Word file, and then insert and screenshot, and then screen clipping, and then select this group, Ctrl X, cut it from here, and paste it in 1E. Where is 1E? 1E. This is 1E. And repeat until you finish all classes for next week, so you prepared your work for next week for offline work in classroom using online technologies, WhatsApp communication system, and Google Drive, YouTube videos, Google Drive for uploading the tasks. Use the Word and use Notepad, and also you prepared the steps for these strategies, and the online quiz using forms for Office 365. So different and complex technologies you are using here. And beside, there is flying prizes and flying pictures in the assembly morning with the principal and the staff of the schools, and this is like a festival. More motivating, more encouragement, more enhancement the skills in your students in the topic and the learning outcome who are learning about it. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video, share the video with others, and be in contact with us if there is any question. Don't hesitate to ask, and I will reply you privately, or if it's must or should, I will prepare a video and send to you to the channel. Don't forget to support us and share the video, and for others to subscribe, and for our channel to reach and be included in the search engines like YouTube search engine and Google, and the channel will be famous. With you, engineer and educator Osama Gandour at STEM Associate School. Thanks for watching the video.